Hey, welcome back to DIY Willy. And we got a new package. I've been waiting for this now for about a week. And well, it finally got here. I think it got lost because it was saying delayed. But it finally got here. And we're gonna open it up and look inside, because this right here may fix a problem, a very big problem I have right now with the Silverado. The 2011 Chevy Silverado is broken at the moment. It's got a DTC code of P0172 and 175, I believe it is, and it's a rich condition on banks 1 and 2. So what I want to do, or what I've seen, is that the alcohol percentages are way too high. I want to take this that's in this box, go in there and fix that. So let's take a look at what's in the box. That's it. So here we go. We have the launch greeter, I guess you say, greeter elite for the GM model trucks, or vehicles rather. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to this solving a lot of my problems. My AFM, my what is it, active fuel management, I believe that's what that stands for, is also kind of screwy right now, and I would like to turn that feature off, and this should do that. It should turn it off. This will also reset the fuel values for the fuel trims, and clear that alcohol to 0. I think it's at 75.8 right now, and if we set it back to 0, it's going to fix a lot of things that's going on wrong in there right now. But this, supposedly, through the comments that I've read, will do that. And I'm just going to get it out of the box, take it inside, make sure it's charged. If not, charge it up. I think it has a battery built into it, but I'll get it hooked up with the network. It's Wi-Fi, and I'll do the necessary updates for it if there's any, and then we'll get the truck and we'll plug it in and see what we can do. All right, so taking a look at the truck now, you can see our check engine light on. We're going to go ahead and plug the new scanner in and see exactly what's going on. All right, so here's a look at the new scanner. This is a launch Creator Elite. Pretty nice scanner. It's got a little protective cover over the plug. Take that off right there. That'll expose the connections we need. We'll just find our OBD2 port down here, and we know it's right here, and we plug it in. There we go. There we go. Now let's see, we'll turn the vehicle on, but not start it. I would like it to go into automatic. Let's turn the AC off. Automatic discovery. Let's see, where's that at? Let's see what it says there. Let it read everything. It's probably going to ask for all the information on the truck. I thought it did that automatically. Oh, it did. It's got the VIN number right there on. 2 codes. Readiness completed. Yeah. Okay. What's that? Are you sure you want to exit? Cancel. Yeah, this is all new to me. I'm going to be learning this as we go along too. You like to end your diagnostic session? No. Show me what we got here. Oh, okay. Let's see. I guess we'll wait for the all protocols. See what it comes up with. I don't know how long this is going to take. Failed. Uh-oh. What the hell? Failed. Waiting. What the heck? Waiting. Come on. Come on. What do we got here? You can hear Spike talking over there. Failed and failed. Wow. I wonder why. Canvas. In session. P0172, rich condition, bank 1. P175, rich condition. 175, 1 and 2. 175, 1, 2. Yeah, I think we got it. Help. Fuel trims to increase, reducing the injector opening, blah, blah, blah. Okay. We don't need a code search. We know what that is. Yes. How about if we go to diagnose? How can we get in here? Okay. How can we get in here and reset these? I'm learning this scanner just like you. Let's see what we got here. Automatic search. Yes. Turn on. Okay, it's on. Yes. Reading data. Automatic. Man, Spikey's being loud. Trailer brake, no. I guess it's 8600, I don't know. I really don't know. I'll go without. Or what's hope? Vehicle systems have 4-wheel speed sensors and we'll have the rig. Yeah, it's got that. Help, what's that? I don't know. Without. System scan. Engine ECU. Read fault code. Display. It's going to be the same thing as what I said before. Not run since cleared. Okay. Now I'm hoping I can reset. Let's see, where's the live data? Let me find the live data here. Read fault codes. I'll get back with you guys when I figure this out. Alright, so here's some of the information in the freeze frame. Basically, I selected the fuel alcohol content and it shows me fuel alcohol content 75.79.4. That's pretty close to the 75.8 I was saying. And I don't have the engine running, so it's not going to show a graph really. This is my problem. That's 79 or 75.794. So yeah, now we've got to fix that. And the way we do that is going to reset the alcohol level. I just got to figure out where in this meter or where in this diagnostic tool that happens. So again, let me find out where that is and we'll get back to it. You can see the lights off. I didn't just clear the codes. This is going to take some learning curve on here. If anybody's got experience with this launch scan tool or diagnostic tool, hey, leave some comments in the description, and if you can help me out in any way, I really appreciate it, and I'll be sure to check the comments. But it looks like I was able to reset the alcohol. See, there's the alcohol percent right there, 3.137. That's good. My gas in the area is below 10% or about 10% or something like that. So this is right where it should be, right there. That should be good enough. I shouldn't have that rich condition anymore. Trying to go down here to the fuel trims. This thing's kind of sketchy. There's the fuel pressure. That's pretty good. Fuel level. air intake, oxygen sensors. Long-term fuel trim is 3.906, bank 1, and bank 2 0781. Now, why that's so much difference, I really don't know. Hopefully we can figure that out. And then down here it had the short term. Come on now. Down there is a short term. So you can see how they're fluctuating. So yeah, I guess that's right. You know, it was kind of weird. It was kind of weird getting into C there to figure out how to do it. Let's see. Nah, I don't want to be in there. So yeah, I'm a little confused. It just happened kind of so fast. We'll just take it all the way back to the beginning. Yes. So in going to diagnose, select GM. Yes. Come on now. Okay, automatic search, yes. I should store that. I don't know why it keeps scan. Actuation test, output, engine speed, fuel system. Is this where I found it? Oh yeah, this is where I found it. So fuel composition reset. Oh, that's injector. I hit the wrong one. Fuel composition reset. This says this procedure will reset the fuel alcohol content value. That's exactly what I needed. So it goes in there and it shows this. Now you can add, you can go in here and select different things to go with it. Like, let's see. Like I wanted to see fuel alcohol content. So that adds it. And then you could select it and then reset. And it would go into reset. See that? That's how I eventually reset it. But it worked. It went from the 75 down to 3, and that's really good right there. So I'm happy. And then there's the fuel trims. I really didn't do anything with that. I just left it alone. It cleared up on its own. So yeah, now if I could just figure out how to turn off the AFM with this, that would be great. I might have to buy an extra module. I don't know. And well, if it comes down to that, I will. I'll upgrade the monitor to, I'm gonna upgrade it for Nissan anyway, because I have Nissan and Toyota and Chevy, so I'm gonna upgrade it for Nissan anyway. So that's all right here in this feature. I know this is not really a good how-to video. It wasn't intended to be really a how-to video. Oh, it's not. I don't have my network right here. No Wi-Fi. But local report. Oh, I didn't save a report. Diagnostic record. I didn't save it. I know this is not really a good video on how to use this thing, but I just wanted to show that I was able to clear that alcohol with this. Now I'm going to do some more research on it, see if I can clear up the AFM on it, and hopefully I can. Oh, I don't have my internet selected. That's right. Duh, I can't do that. But I'm going to read through the manual some, and then I'll get back over here. I'll do some research online and see if I can't get in there and turn off that AFM. I really want that off, and this may be able to do it. There are some other scanner programmers out there that can do it, and I really want that system off. My lifters are really getting noisy, and what that is the little spring on the lifter collapses, gets weak and collapses, or the diaphragm in there with the oil pressure, something happens and the spring kind of collapses and the lifter becomes loose in there, and it actually hits the camshaft like bap 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 bap, tick 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 tick, you know. And there's 4 of them. I don't know which one is bad, but one of the 4 could be bad, or all of the 4 could be bad. So actually I think there might be 8 of them. The 2 valves per cylinder, there's 4 cylinders is what I was thinking, so there may be 8 of the springs gone bad, who knows. And it'll beat the cam up and actually wear the cam lobes flat over time. And there are some AFM deletes. You can get one from Texas Speed. See if I can put a picture of it here somewhere. And you know, that might be worth it to do to my Silverado, because it's been a great truck, and at the prices that trucks are and vehicles are nowadays, man, if I dump another 600 or $1,000 into it, it's cheaper than buying a new truck over time. So I'm gonna keep the old 2011 Chevy Silverado alive, and this just helped. Again, I was able to reset the alcohol content here. I'm gonna look to see if I can turn off the AFM with this, and if I can find one that will turn off the flex fuel altogether, that would be great. I know HB Tuners does it, but I want to see if I can get this to do it, or if I have to rent one or get a more sophisticated diagnostic tool. I will get one and do that. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Check out that super thanks down there in the bottom below the video. If you like the video, leave a comment down below in the description. I'm always in the comment section. I'm answering comments as soon as I can, and I try to upload videos every week. I haven't had a video on the Silverado in a while. Since this issue popped up, I did try to change the map sensor, because that's what happened last time, and that wasn't it. It turned out to be the alcohol percentages, and this is all cleared now. So to keep from rattling on, thanks for watching, and more Silverado content to come, and I'll see you next time. Bye.